So hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of Canva challenge. So today in this video I will show you how to create this split effect in Canva. But before that I want you guys to please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So you can see we are inside Canva now. So first of all, let's click over here and let's take 1000 cross 1000 and create a design. Now let's drop in nature photo. Let's go to elements, search for nature, go to photos and let's take this one. Cover the whole part. Perfect. Now let's click T on our keyboard and let's name it nature. Go over here and select font moon time. Perfect. Increase the size. Right to center. Change this color to white. So it seems great. Now what we're gonna do? Go over here, click here and click copy to clipboard. Copy it and got copied. Now add a new page, paste it over here and fill the whole page. Now click this hole, click here BG remove and it will remove the background. Perfect. Now go to edit, click over here, click over restore, increase the brush size and restore everything. Perfect. Now click erase, decrease the brush size and remove this. Perfectly. It should not go outside this part. Take your time and do it. Keep that in mind, it should not cross the white part. Carefully remove those. It should not go outside this part. So you can just take those out. Now increase the brush size. And just do it like that. Done. In the bottom there is left. So just remove this. Perfect. Now cut it. So you can see you got this part. Now what I will do, just copy it, come over here and paste it. Simple. Now let's take this image, bring it over here, go to positions, layers and bring this one below. So now click this, go to FX and from here select shadow. You will get something like this. Decrease the offset like this somewhat, increase the blur somewhat like this, transparency to this much, and from here change to black. Done. Now the depth is there and you're gonna get something like this. So I hope you like this video. It was a quick tutorial. I hope it is gonna help you up. So till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.